If you live in New York and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you step by step through how to buy a gold IRA in New York and what retirees here need to understand before making a move. This is especially relevant if you're retiring in New York City after a career in finance, law, media, or corporate leadership, living in Long Island or Westchester after decades as an executive, entrepreneur, or business owner, or coming out of upstate New York with a background in education, healthcare, or state government. New York retirees operate in one of the most expensive and tax-heavy financial environments in the country. Between high living costs, state and local income taxes, and complex estate planning rules, retirement here requires a far more strategic approach than in lower-cost states. A gold IRA is one strategy some New York retirees use as part of a broader plan to preserve wealth, diversify beyond traditional paper assets, and protect long-term purchasing power. Before we go any further, I need to make a clear disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. Every retirement situation is unique. Tax laws change, estate planning rules evolve, and your income sources may differ significantly from someone else in your county. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or retirement specialist before moving money from any retirement account. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. One of the biggest reasons gold is being considered in New York is what I'll call the cost of living versus inflation squeeze. New York is consistently ranked as one of the most expensive places in America to retire, especially in metro areas like New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. Many retirees need somewhere between $85,000 and $100,000 or more per year just to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. Housing costs, property taxes, transportation, insurance, healthcare, and everyday expenses all remain elevated even after retirement. Even if your mortgage is paid off, the ongoing cost of simply staying in place can be substantial. That pressure becomes even more intense when you add taxation. New York retirees often face state income taxes, and for New York City residents, there is an additional city income tax layer. Retirement income drawn from traditional IRAs, 401ks, and other tax-deferred accounts can be heavily affected by these combined tax burdens. When inflation pushes up the cost of food, utilities, travel, and medical care at the same time, retirees can feel like their savings are being attacked from both sides. This is one reason many people start looking at gold, not necessarily for aggressive returns, but for purchasing power preservation. Gold is often seen as a defensive asset that helps protect wealth when currency value weakens or inflation rises faster than expected. Another major reason is what I would call diversification from Wall Street correlation. Many New York retirees spent their careers directly or indirectly tied to financial markets. They may have worked in banking, law firms, hedge funds, consulting, technology, or large public corporations. Their retirement accounts are often heavily concentrated in stocks, mutual funds, and market-based assets that move closely with the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, or broader equity markets. For someone who has already spent decades riding market cycles, the idea of adding a non-correlated asset becomes increasingly attractive. Gold can function as an anchor, something outside the traditional stock market structure that may hold value during periods of volatility or economic uncertainty. There is also a psychological shift that happens as retirement approaches. High earners who spent decades focused on accumulation often move into a preservation mindset. At that stage, the goal is not necessarily maximizing gains, but protecting what has already been built. Someone with a large 401k, stock compensation history, or concentrated employer stock position may care more about avoiding major losses than chasing another percentage point of return. Gold often fits into that conversation because it represents a form of wealth that is not dependent on quarterly earnings reports, corporate valuations, or central bank policy decisions. It's important to clarify something foundational before going further. A gold IRA is not a New York-specific account. It is a federal retirement account, governed by IRS rules, under Internal Revenue Code Section 408M. This section defines which precious metals qualify, the required purity standards, and how the metals must be stored. These rules apply uniformly across all 50 states. A gold IRA operates within the same tax-deferred framework as a traditional IRA, except instead of holding stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, it holds IRS-approved physical precious metals. Compliance with these federal rules is critical to maintaining the tax advantages of the account. Let's talk about where most New York Gold IRA funding actually comes from. One major source is financial and professional services in New York City, Long Island, and Westchester. Executives, attorneys, media professionals, and high-net-worth individuals often retire with substantial 401k balances built over decades of high earnings. These are financially sophisticated people who understand macroeconomics, market concentration risk, and estate planning complexity. Many use gold IRAs as part of a broader diversification strategy, especially when their existing wealth is heavily tied to equities or corporate performance. Another major group includes public employees and teachers in the New York State and local retirement system. These workers often rely on strong pensions for baseline retirement income, but many also maintain supplemental 457B or 403B plans that are fully exposed to market conditions. Upon retirement, those supplemental accounts can be rolled into an IRA through a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. For retirees who want a portion of their assets outside the traditional market cycle and independent from state-managed pension structures, allocating part of those funds into a gold IRA becomes a practical option. Education and healthcare professionals form another significant category. Retirees from the SUNY and CUNY systems, as well as major hospital networks and healthcare institutions across the state, often retire with sizable 403B balances. These individuals tend to prioritize long-term security and capital preservation, especially after seeing how quickly economic conditions can change. A gold IRA can offer diversification away from equity-heavy retirement plans and provide another layer of protection during uncertain periods. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403b, 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Now, let's talk about what I'll call the Empire State wins and gotchas. One major advantage is New York's bullion sales tax exemption. The state exempts investment-grade gold, silver, platinum, and palladium bullion from sales tax when the total purchase exceeds $1,000 on a single invoice. Since a typical gold IRA rollover usually involves far more than that amount, most IRA precious metals purchases qualify automatically. That means you avoid both state and local sales taxes on the acquisition, which can save a meaningful amount on large transactions. However, there is also a serious estate planning issue known as the New York estate tax cliff. For 2026, the state estate tax exemption sits at approximately $7,350,000. The problem is, that if your taxable estate exceeds that amount by even a relatively small margin, you can lose the exemption entirely and trigger taxation on the full estate, with rates reaching up to 16%. For high net worth retirees in New York, this is a major planning concern. Physical gold held inside retirement accounts still becomes part of your broader estate picture, so placement, timing, and withdrawal strategy matter significantly. This is something that should always be discussed with a qualified estate planning professional. There is also a helpful pension income exclusion. New York allows a $20,000 annual exclusion per person for qualifying pension and annuity income, including certain IRA distributions for individuals over age 59 and a half. This creates planning opportunities for retirees who coordinate withdrawals carefully. By managing gold IRA distributions alongside pension income and Social Security, retirees may be able to reduce state tax exposure and improve long-term efficiency. So, who is this strategy really for? In New York, it often fits the Wall Street executive who wants to protect decades of accumulated wealth and reduce exposure to market volatility. It fits the NYSLRS retiree who wants to diversify supplemental 457 or 403B savings outside of traditional paper assets. It may also fit the healthcare professional, educator, or entrepreneur who values long-term stability over aggressive speculation. The common mindset here is strategic wealth preservation, using federal IRA structures, state tax advantages, and careful planning to protect purchasing power in one of the most expensive financial environments in the country. A gold IRA is not a replacement for pensions, Social Security, or disciplined financial planning. It is one component of a diversified retirement strategy. But in a state like New York, learning how to properly structure and buy a gold IRA can play an important role in preserving wealth, reducing concentration risk, and maintaining long-term financial stability in retirement. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees involved, and whether this strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage requirements, and common mistakes to avoid, helping you decide whether this strategy fits into your broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.